Well guys, I got my rock lights wired in right there. I got my amp wired in to that fuse box so I can turn it on and off. I got my light whips hooked up into there. I went through and I cleaned up all the wires to make it look good like it should. Cleaned up all of that. Now I just have to tidy up this that goes to that speaker and amp. That's it. So guys, I wanted to show you that, let you guys know that it was done. And I also wanted to tell you and let you know, those of you who don't know, that I will be with Justin the Creator at his event that he has going on. We'll play some. To see some of you guys there. He worked really hard on that event and it's going to be real nice. I know it is. I got a good feeling about it and I'm excited to go. I cannot wait to go to that. So hope to see you guys there. I think me and Ronnie is going to go for a little cruise tonight and see where we can head out and have fun. He's been in here working on his. He got his LED light bar installed into his fuse box. That's a fuse box we got off of Amazon. That's actually a really nice fuse box as well. The only downside to that one is it doesn't have the little control box like mine does, which is not bad. No. It's really not. And look, there we got his light bar installed. So his 800EX build is coming along good. I think what do we got to do next is some rear wheel bearings and some bushings and stuff, Ronnie? Yeah. That's basically, well, in the doors. We got to get the latches that go inside here for the doors.
Got the doors.
We do got the doors.
But we don't have the latches.
But we don't have the latches, and we thought that we did in that box, and we don't. So we got to get those. I'll probably give Main Street Cycle a call and see if they can get them for me. I also got some other goodies from Main Street Cycle, and I got a new belt. I'm not going to show you which one we went with, but it's from Main Street Cycle as well. And we're going to get it installed next week, so you'll see some videos next week of this thing because I'm getting it ready for Justin's show. That way we can go and have fun and my rig won't look all hill jack and wires dangling and hangling like they was, huh, Ronnie? My wires was all over the place. You could see them because we was working on that all week, basically, here and there. I wanted to show you guys this thing lit up at night. And I'm going to turn on the rock lights and the whips. Check it out. Definitely looks nice all lit up, guys. Gets here, huh? We're gonna be jamming. Look at that sexy beast over there. Now you're the loud one in the group.
Why?
That exhaust. Oh, I smell that rap.
Did you? Oh, there's no power steering.
This is what happens when you have a dyno jet tuner, guys.
You have to stop every
can
gas station, fill up,
you can
change tunes.
And change tunes. It's so easy. Now we can see the screen, Nick.
Justin. I just want to Justin.
gotta let it tune. Just like that. That easy, guys. Doesn't take long.
Yeah, it was slow as hell with that one on.
Yeah, it was slow. That was the Gibson.
That was a Gibson.
The Gibson exhaust tune, and it was slow. Dude, I was keeping right up with you.
Slow.
Like,
I don't get it.
I don't know. Did you do that tune yet before?
No.
No, that's the first time.
Yeah.
The other tune made you faster.
The second tune made me the fastest.
What tune are you doing now?
The first one, back to the first one.
Why don't you try that one that modified?
Man, that one's wicked, man. That
Is it wicked?
Yeah, that was.
You should try that.
That was wicked.
Huh?
I don't want to break anything. Not today.
No.
No.
Alright guys, this is a short one for you just to show you what we got going on in the garage. We'll have some long ones for you coming up this week on a belt change, and we're going to show you what the 1-inch wheel spacers look like on the 800EX. So stay tuned for that, and we'd like to thank Main Street Cycle. If you need to check out any parts or anything, definitely go to their website. I'll have it linked down below. You can even call them or text them. I'll leave their phone number and stuff down below as well. You can check all that stuff out. I'll pin it all in a comment. That way you guys can easily find it. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless. And hopefully we'll see you at Justin's event.
Duggar, Indiana. Duggar, Indiana at the Mud and Mayhem. Mud and Mayhem, September 4th, Saturday night. It's going to be your boy, you know what I'm saying? Afro Man. Turn up the radio. We got the beer ice down. The moon is shining. So pass it around. Tell your friends and your family that it's all good. Cause this is how we do it when we party in the woods. September 4th, Duggar, Indiana. With them Indiana boys on the Indiana night. Buckeye, yeah.
Indiana, what's up, dude? It's Chase Matthew. I am crossing all the county lines to come party with you guys. Mud Mayhem on September 3rd. Y'all come out, let's party. Tell everybody pull up. It's gonna be a damn good time.